Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's provide solution. Okay, very quickly. Right, so let's copy what we have. We have 3x, okay, over square root of x, which equals to a 6. Right, then here we can use this formula we have given. Okay, we know that 3x over this root is equals to x power 1 over a 2, which equals to a 6, right? So that we can put this one 3 outside to get x over x power 1 over a 2, okay, which equals to a 6, right? We know that the rule of indices, which says if you have a to the power of n over a to the power of m, okay, this is equals to a to the power of n minus m, okay. This is what I'm going to apply here, so that we have 3, okay, to the power of here, because we have same base x power, we have 1 minus 1 over a 2, which equals to a 6, right? So 1 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, to get that is this is equal to 3x power 1 over a 2, which equals to a 6, okay. Then here we can divide a 3 on both sides to get x power 1 over a 2, which equals to a 2, okay. Here we can write square root of x, which equals to a 2, then square both sides, okay, to get x, which equals to a 4, right? Our x here is equals to a 4. Then by verify our answer, we have 3x over root of x, okay, which equals to 6, okay. So by replacing the value, we have 4 over square root of a 4 is equals to question mark 6. Then 3 times 4 is equals to a 12 over square root of a 4 is equals to a 2, which equals to question mark a 6, okay. So that here we can say 6 is equals to a 6. Then our left hand side is equals to our right hand side, right? Then thanks for watching. See you the next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe, okay.